So the first step to check your crypto wallet holdings online. If this helped, drop a like, share the video, and subscribe for more. Create content effortlessly. Click the link down below and enjoy the tutorial. Open up your search engine and browser. You can paste this link down below, or you can type it here on the screen, app.bubblemaps.io. And in this case, we'll click enter, and you can check crypto wallet holdings. If you go to the top left hand screen, this should be the website. You can click this, the drop down arrow, and you have different, chains. You can say, right, we have ETH, BSC, FTM, AVAX, Crow, Arbitrum, Poly, Base, and Solana. So let's say we want a Ethereum address, and you want to basically see how many people are holding what. You can even scroll down, and as you can see, we can click, let's say, Shiba Inu right here. Here, click that, and wait for this to load. And basically now, as you can see here on the screen, we have different bubbles. I'm scrolling out, and I'm scrolling in with my mouse. We can click one, and as you can see, this wallet is number 4, and it's currently holding 3.655%. If you go to the top right hand screen, you can click on wallet lists, and this will give you more an extensive view, I guess you can say. There's a dead address right here, holding 41%. 3.8%, 3.66, Robinhood, Crypto.com, OKEX, Binance, Robinhood, more Crypto.com. And that's how you can check it. Again, go to the top left hand screen. You can choose something else, let's say Base, and you can basically click here on the top right hand screen. You can paste the address, click search, and it should be the exact same thing completely for free. So let's say we want to take a look at Land Wolf, one of the most recently visited. As you can see, there are different bubbles, and I'm clicking this and I'm moving this on the screen, because if I were to click on it, we can see this wallet is holding 1.4%, 1.5, 0.69. This is a clustered wallet. Again, go to the top right hand screen, click wallet list, and you can see all of the different wallets. You could even search specifically if you have a wallet, if you are on the top 150, and you might or might not be able to find it, but that's how you find it completely for free. I hope this helps.